Exercise 8.2, question number 4, first Roman 4th question. Given sine 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So substitute those values directly and simplify. Sine 30 degrees value 1 by 2, tan 45 value 1, cosecant 60 degrees. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. In the place of denominator, secant 30. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees value 1 by 2 plus cot 45 value 1. Now simplify separately in the place of numerator and as well as in the place of the denominator. So find the LCM. 2 root 3 is the LCM in the place of numerator place here. Now 2 root 3 is the LCM. Now 2 get cancelled. Root 3 plus denominator is nothing is 1 means 1. So directly multiply. You will get here 2 root 3 minus 2 by root 3. Root 3 cancel, get 2 2s are 4 minus 4 by denominator also 2 root 3 is the LCM. Now root 3 get cancelled, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 cancel, root 3 next plus 1, so 2 root 3. Now 2 root 3 get cancelled, 2 root 3 plus root 3 means 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. So final answer 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. So next find cos square 60 degrees plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30. So substitute the values directly. 5 cos 60 value 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 secant is the reciprocal of cos. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3 whole square. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 whole square by denominator. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 5 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So now in the place of numerator 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 by denominator 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 1. Directly we can write 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1/4 mark plus 3 by 4. Total we will get as 1. So in the place of numerator now we can simplify. 12 is the LCM here. 4 3s are 12. Next 4 in 12 it will go 3 times. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 in 12 4 times. 16 4s are 64 minus denominator nothing is mentioned means 1. 1 in 12 it will go here 12 times. Now 64 plus 15 is 79 minus 12 by 12. 9 minus 2 7. 7 minus 1 67 by 12. Second Roman question number 1. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3. So directly we can substitute 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. This one we can write as now 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. If you simplify this one, 2 by root 3 by 3 1 are 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. This is 2 by root 3. Okay. Now 2 by root 3 into reciprocal of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. 2 will go here 2 times. And now we got here 3 by 2 root 3. And some more simplification, instead of root 3 place we can write as root 3 into root 3 by 2 root 3. Root 3 get cancelled, root 3 by 2. Now this root 3 by 2, as per the options, where we will get the root 3 by 2? Here sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So option A is the correct answer. So answer is option A. Second Roman second question. 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45. The value of tan 45 is 1. So we can write here 1 minus 1 whole square by 1 plus 1 whole square. 1 minus 1 whole square means 1 only, 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 by anything is 0. So answer is 0. Therefore, answer is option D is the correct answer. So question number 3. Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a. For which angle these both are equal? Here we have to substitute as per the options. Let first case angle A equals to, take it as 0 degrees. Then sin 2a. So 2 into 0 is 0. So sin 0 degrees equals to, we will get here sin 0 degrees equals to 0. And this is LHS and RHS 2 into sin 0 degrees. So 2 into sin 0 value is 0. So 2 into anything is 0. Therefore, sin 2a equals to 2 sin a when angle A equals to 0 degrees. Therefore, option A is correct. Question number 4. Given here 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So substitute here 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 1 are 2, 2 by root 3 by denominator here 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. So 2 by root 3 by 3 1 are 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 by 3. So we can write this one as 2 by root 3 into reciprocal of 2 by root 3 is 3 by 2. 2 cancel, and one more step, instead of 3 place, replace with root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So this is equals to root 3. So root 3, where it is possible in these conditions. In these conditions, tan 60 value we will get as root 3. Therefore, option C is the correct. Exercise 8.2 question number 3. If tan of a plus b equals to root 3 and tan of a minus b equals to 1 by root 3, they have given the condition the angles must lies between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. The sum of two angles may be equal to 90 degrees. And first angle A should be greater than angle B. This is the condition we have to get it. Now first in the question they have given tan of A plus B equals to root 3. Tan of A plus B. So root 3 value in terms of tan, we will get in terms of tan as tan 60 degrees value is root 3. So on both sides tan get cancelled. We can get the value A plus B equals to 60 degrees. In second case, tan of a minus b equals to 1 by root 3 is given. Tan of a minus b equals to 1 by root 3 we can write in terms of tan as tan 30 degrees. Both sides tan get cancelled. A minus b equals to 30 degrees. Consider this is the first equation. This is second equation. Solving of 1 and 2. So, a plus b equals to 60 degrees. A minus b equals to 30 degrees. Adding 1 and 2. If you add these both, plus b minus b cancel. 2a equals to 90 degrees. A equals to 90 by 2. A equals to 45 degrees. Now substitute this A equals to 45 degrees in any of the two equations. Substituting A equals to 45 degrees in equation 1. 45 degrees plus angle B equals to 60. So angle B equals to 60 minus 45 plus 45, you can transpose right hand side, then it becomes minus. So angle B is 60 minus 45. Angle B equals to 15 degrees. Therefore, angle A is 45 degrees. Angle B equals to 15 degrees.